guys, what's up everybody? How y'all doing? I hope you're fine. I am fine. And yes, I'm starting this video in this wig cap because I want to share with you guys the whole process of what I'll be doing today. So I'll be testing out these products from I don't know how to pronounce this company's name. ARHGOAT. ARHGOAT. I don't know, ARHGOAT or something. I'll write it on the screen. They have this set of products that comes with edge control. This edge control is so good for your hairline, especially if you want to regrow your hair, if you want to sleek your hair, not get the white crusty look. It comes with this big one, and also they have this travel size one in the package. And onto this, actually this is what I'm mostly excited about, to see how my wig will lay. I wanted to do it on my natural hair, but I also want to test this glue with you because I've seen very great reviews about this glue. So yeah, we'll get right into it. I have taken a wig that's almost my hair texture. You can see I'll be doing half up, half down. Before I actually glue down my wig, I'll go in with my edge control and make sure all the hair laid back. So I'll go in with this small one, you can see. Oh, and actually, yeah, this comes in your package when you order your edge control package. Look at how clean that looks. Wow. You can put up to 10 layers, but since I'll be going to salon tomorrow, I'll just do 2 layers because I don't want it to be too tight. But if you want to stay with it for long, I think you can do about 4 or so layers. So I'll just put dots around here. Oh my god, I love how sleek the edges are. So I'll just go in with this.
달이 지는 새벽 나의 곁엔 네가 잠들어 있어 작은 숨소리마저 널 깨울까 조심스러워져 너를 더 알고 싶어 작은 하나까지 무슨 꿈을 꾸는지 나와 함께 해줘 그 사람이 아니라 시간을 멈춰.
Glue is very firm, as they said. I love how tight it is, and it's not messy, like it's not runny and all that, which is amazing. It saves your makeup, you know, especially for someone who's used to, like me, who's used to using spray glue. It usually flows all over your face, so I feel like this is amazing. So as I mentioned earlier, I want to do a half up, half down, then we'll scoop and do my edges. So I'm back, guys. I was just trying to rejuvenate my curls. I think now they look good. So let's remove my band so that we can now work on my edges with the edge control. I'm always excited to see my hair when I remove the band. That looks amazing. So what we'll do is I'll just scoop some edges here and here, then that's what we'll lay. Let me do.
달이 지는 새벽 나의 곁엔 네가 잠들어 있어 작은 숨소리마저 널 깨울까 조심스러워져 너를 더 알고 싶어 작은 하나까지 무슨 꿈을 꾸는지 나와 함께 해줘 그 사람이 아니라 시간을 멈춰 붙잡고 싶어 이렇게 잠시 just stay for a little while 아침이 오면 떠나게.
So that's about it, guys. We are done with today's install. I love how tight that glue is, and I love the fact that it's not visible under the lace. There's a time I used to use such type of glue, and it used to remain you could see the whiteness on top of the lace. But I love the fact that with this one, you can't really see the glue. It's so clean and it's so firm. That's a good thing, especially for me, because I want to go with this to the gym and also use it tomorrow, which is amazing. And of course, this is my new favorite item. This edge control is so good because it will protect your hairline, and also you will have sleek edges for long, you know. Yeah, so that's my review, and I totally recommend them for anybody who has been wondering what can they use on their hair. And actually you can also, as you saw guys, this is what I used. The same edge control is what I used to lay over here. So if you want to substitute this with your glue, I totally recommend, because you will only use a small portion and your hair will be tight throughout the day. Thank you so much. As I said, I don't know how to pronounce the name, for sending me this amazing product. This is something I feel good recommending to people, because it's something that I've tested for you guys and I love it, and I'm confident when recommending it because I know each and everybody who will order this will totally love it. So thank you so much for watching up to the end. Let me know what you think about my hairstyle. I love this hairstyle too. See you guys on the next one. Bye. Hey guys, this is me from the future. You can see I've slicked back the hair. So what I'll do is I'm just going now with my edge control, scoop all the hair that I want to work with.